So in the given figure, a circle is inscribed in a triangle PQR. Measure of PQ is 10 centimeter, QR is 8 centimeter, and PR is 12 centimeter. So this is given to us. And we are asked to find the length QM, RN and PL. So QM, let us assume as Y, RN as Z, and Pn as X. So we are asked to find the value of X, Y and Z. So let us begin our solution. So first of all, recall a theorem that if we have an external point and two tangents are drawn to a circle from that external point, then the length of the tangents will be equal. So using this theorem, we can write PL is equal to Pn, and that is equal to X. Why? Because P is that external point and PL and Pn will be the two tangents. So their measure must be equal according to the theorem. So let us mark Pn as X in the figure. Likewise, taking point Q as the external point, we will write QL is equal to QM. Since we have assumed QM is equal to Y, so we will mark QL as Y on the figure. And finally, we will take R as the external point. So we will get RM is equal to RN is equal to Z. So we will mark RM is equal to Z on the figure. Now after this, we know that in triangle PQR, the measure of all the sides are known. So we can write X plus Y equal to 10 because that represents the side PQ. Likewise, X plus Z will be equal to 12 because side PR is equal to 12. And finally, we can write Y plus Z is equal to 8 because our side QR is equal to 8. Now let us solve equation number 1 and 2. We will subtract. So on subtracting this, X will vanish and we will get Y minus Z is equal to negative 2. Let us look at equation number 3 and this equation that we obtained. So equation number 3 says Y plus Z is equal to 8, and the equation that we just obtained says Y minus Z is equal to minus 2. So from here we can subtract, so Y will vanish and we will get 2Z is equal to 10 or Z is equal to 5. After getting the value of Z, we will substitute it in equation number 2. So X will be equal to 12 minus Z, that is 5. This will give us X is equal to 7. And in equation number 3, Y will be equal to 8 minus Z, that is 8 minus 5 equal to 3. So we have successfully found the values of X, Y and Z. So PL will be 7 centimeter, QM will be 3 centimeter and RN will be 5 centimeters. If you want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.